A modest rally this morning. Are you sticking with your recession forecast?
Stuart, I simply don't know how we avoid one. The leading economic indicators have been down 13 months in a row. You've seen massive contractions in manufacturing, and now it's starting to bleed over to the consumer, where this week we saw a really disappointing retail sales number, and adjusted for inflation, that's at like -4 or 5% year over year. So it's really starting to hit consumers' wallets. And on top of that, we have a banking crisis on our hands right now. 3 of the top 4 largest bank failures in the history of our country have happened the last couple months, on top of a commercial real estate crisis, which is contracting lending and the flow of capital to small and medium-sized business across the country. Look, I don't know that we're going to have some sort of Armageddon, but all the signs that we saw going into 2008, we are seeing right now.
Okay.
Again, that's not to say we're going to have a similar type recession. I just don't think we can avoid one.
Okay, let's move aside from the general market and look specifically at AI. Have you got a winning stock in the AI industry or the AI business?
Well, so, Stuart, this trend seems to be for real, and the winner of late looks to be NVIDIA. They have an edge up on everyone. The stock has been an absolute rocket ship this year. So I'd say proceed with caution. They report next week. But if AI is for real, which I think it is, NVIDIA is poised to win ahead of everyone else. And so that's a momentum play. That's risky. But if you believe that this is the way to go, then I think NVIDIA is your stock.
Okay. We hear you. Mike Lee, thanks very much indeed. You have a great weekend, fella. See you soon.
Thanks, Stuart. You too.
ChatGPT.